Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make your Windows 11 or Windows 10 laptop faster. If your computer feels slow, follow these simple steps. Solution 1. Stop background apps. Search and type battery settings in the Start menu. Then click on it. Now, go to Battery Usage. You will see a list of apps running in the background. Click on the three dots next to each app. Go to Background Apps Permission, and change the option to Never. Do this for all unnecessary apps. Solution 2. Disable startup programs. Open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Disable all the applications you don't need to run at startup. This will make your laptop boot much faster. Solution 3. Adjust for best performance. Search and type View Advanced System Settings. Under the Advanced tab, click on Settings in the Performance section. Select Adjust for best performance. Click Apply and then OK. Finally, restart your PC. And that's it. Your laptop should now feel much faster. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.